Hi, my name is Natalie Aguirre, and today I will be telling the story of Claudette Colvin. So on March 22nd, 1955, Claudette Colvin, she was 15 years old, and she was riding the city bus home. And it was a full bus, and there was a white woman who came on, and she didn't have a seat. And so the bus driver asked that the first row of the colored section of the bus to move elsewhere, to move further back into other seats. So the white woman had a spot, and all her friends got up, but she decided to stay, and she refused to give up the seat. So because of this, the bus driver called the police, and they dragged her off the bus and took her to the city jail. She was later convicted of assault, battery, disorderly conduct, and violating a city ordinance. She eventually became one of 4 plaintiffs in the Browder versus Gale, which ruled that the segregated bus system in Montgomery was unconstitutional. Now, the NAACP, they wanted to use Claudette's case to challenge segregation laws. However, being a single teenage mother, she did not embody the traits that a spokesperson should for this kind of movement. And so Rosa Parks was involved in a similar bus incident 9 months after Claudette, and she was a much better spokesperson for this movement. She was a very mature woman. She worked for the NAACP as a secretary, and so that's why we know of Rosa Parks' story and not Claudette's, because Rosa Parks was used as the spokesperson. But Claudette's actions, they inspired the Montgomery bus boycotts, and she should be recognized just the same as Rosa Parks. But my question for the class is that, do you think if the NAACP had decided to use Claudette as the spokesperson instead of Rosa Parks, that she would have made the same impact? Thank you.